Let me help you fill out this form. This form is where you can tell us about what went wrong that will allow us to have your case reviewed by an attorney who has the experience and resources to best work with you to find out if you or a loved one can be compensated for your injury or loss. However, not every bad outcome is the result of a mistake. Sometimes there are bad outcomes despite receiving quality care. But how will you know if you don't ask someone who deals with these issues every day? So let's start by filling out the form right here to your best ability. You may not have all the information now, but you'll know what we'll need to get later. Like a good news story, we first want to know who was involved by writing down the name or names of the people who were injured or who may have caused the injury, such as a doctor or nurse. We also want to know who is the employer for each person and the employer's insurance company, if you can find that out. This may be a hospital, a clinic, or nursing home and their insurers. When? Next, it's important to say when you were aware that something was wrong. Was it right after an operation or leaving the hospital? When did something happen that didn't seem right? Where? Now we need to know where this all happened, beginning with the city and state, as well as any specific addresses such as a hospital or clinic. And what? We have the who, when, and where, but now we need an explanation to the best of your ability as to what happened that did not seem right, and what were the damages, including medical bills. Did you lose wages because you couldn't go to work? Or did you have difficulty of functioning while walking or eating or breathing, seeing or going to the bathroom? Tell us what happened and how this has altered your life. Evidence. And now we need to look at any evidence that you may have that can help tell your side of the story. This may include the names and phone numbers of any witnesses, or police reports, medical tests, autopsy results, death certificate with cause of death, insurance policies, pictures, letters, emails, payment receipts, or anything in writing that you may have in your possession to help support your case. After you've filled out the information to the best of your ability, hit the submit button and we'll receive a copy that we can use to help us find an attorney who would be best suited to helping you in your situation. And remember that you don't have to go with any attorney we refer, even after you talk with them, and it won't cost you a penny unless you win. Fill out the form and let's get started.